So right now I've got some arsehole right up my arse in a fucking Astra. Alright, I'm doing 37 or 38 miles an hour on a 40. But I'm not in any rush to speed, and it's not against the law to do a couple of miles an hour underneath the speed limit. So now I'm doing 40 mile an hour and he's still right up my arse. Coming to a 30 now, so I'm going to slow down. What a fucking dick. What's your fucking problem? So I'm going to signal to him to fucking back off. I think he's got the message.
Speed camera, drive carefully.
You're the one who's up my arse.
Do you want me to get up your ass, mate? I'll fucking ram you off this road.
Will you?
No insurance, I'm not giving you fucks, mate.
I'll call you back.
Gypsy, go on, pull forward. Fucking have it, you tramp.
I'm not arse, mate. Do what you want. You're on fucking camera. You fucking pillock.